So today we got a couple of electricians here and they're doing some work. Like first in the house, when we had the house inspected, the inspector said there's some open grounds there on some of the plugs in the house. He did random testing, but he said there's an open ground and that can be dangerous, so we thought eventually we'll have to get the electrician here. And then I found out a couple weeks ago the septic tank is plugged into the wall. Like it's not even hardwired to the house. Take a look. So this is what I was talking about, guys. The pump out for the septic tank is plugged into the wall with an extension cord. And it's underground a little ways, and it goes there to the septic tank. So that's why the electricians are here today. We want that hardwired done right. Oh. That's not a very good way to have it hooked up here that the previous owner had. So they're trenching here to put the new wire in. It's going to go to the septic. Now they're putting all the wiring in. Doing it proper. So you've seen that. And then we're getting a yard light put in. Like the yard light that was up there is from yesteryear and very inefficient, the bulb, and not very bright and takes tons of power. So they're installing a new LED yard light. Take a look at that. So we're pretty happy with all that work. You know, we had to get it done, so it's not like it's a luxury. Those are all important things, and you know, now we feel better about that. And let's take a look. I'll show you the finished product with the septic tank, the wiring, how that is. So there's the new wiring for the septic that goes right in the house. Comes from underground there, and you saw that. They had it trenched 2 feet. So now it's all back together. Cover it up. No more extension cord. They got a box there where it's all wired into there, so they said if a plumber comes to do the pump or something like that, or do any other work, they can just access it right there from above ground instead of going in the tank. So the extension cord that was plugged in there in the wall, the electrician pulled it out of the ground to find out where it was plugged into, like where the joint was, and he came to about here, and then the cord was pulled out and he unplugged it. So we feel a lot better about this setup now. It's done properly. And it's hardwired right into the breaker panel there. So it has its own breaker and it can be dealt with there. So yeah, very happy with this work. And there's the new yard light. That's an LED light. It's very powerful. It's got 3 settings actually, but we set it to the highest setting for now because you can always dim it down from there and you can see what it's capable of. I'll show you a clip. I tried it out. Take a look. Look at that one. What light? That's 11,000 lumens. It's really lighting up the yard. Look at that. Isn't that something, guys? Now that's what I call a light. We're so happy that the electricians came and did that work for us. So what a light, hey guys? It's really bright. It lights up the whole forest there and everything. Not that we need it that bright, but it's very efficient. It's LED. It can run in cold weather. It doesn't get hot. And it'll last for a long time. So we wanted a good light in the yard for security and to see. Because you'll be getting dark up here a lot earlier now. It's getting later in the fall. So you want to be able to see when you're doing some work out here. Like when we start shoveling too, or snow blowing, whatever. We're able to see. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe and then click the notification bell so you can get notified, you know, when we get new videos out. Let's grow this channel, guys, and get lots of you out on here and watching and enjoying our videos. See you in the next one.